Joseph has $14,000 to replace his aging Mitsubishi Eclipse Spyder with another convertible that crucially doesn't have rear-wheel drive. He's doing lots of road trips, he's in Colorado, it's gonna be winter, he needs all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. What car should he buy? Joseph, I'm gonna ignore you. My friend, what you need is a Ford Thunderbird, specifically the last generation. The one from the early 2000s, the really sick retro one. I know it's rear-wheel drive and that's not what you want, but I don't care. You came to me, you said, I have these things I need, I decided what's actually important, and I'm telling you, the Thunderbird is the car for you. Just look at it, it is such a nice looking car. Roof comes down, it's wonderful on road trips. It's got a really robust 3.9 liter V8 motor from Jaguar or Lincoln or whatever, a 5-speed automatic for cruising. It's gonna be great. You're gonna look like a boomer, but like in an ironic, fun way, so that's kind of cool too. Sure, it's rear-wheel drive, but you know, just suck it up, bro. Get a second pair of tires. You'll be fine. Don't worry about it. Now, the 11th generation Thunderbird didn't exactly grow on trees, so you might have to do a little bit of searching to find a perfect one, but they are out there, and I promise you, you extend your search, you do a little road trip back, it is going to reward you all the way home. Plus, you know what? Find one with that removable hardtop, and that means in the winter, Betty, you got a coupe. You got a coupe. It's gonna be lovely. It's gonna be nice. It's not gonna be as windy and as annoying. And once the summer comes, you pop that off, put the roof down. Oh, wind in what's left of your hair. There is nothing better in the world. Joseph, do the right thing. Ignore your instincts. Buy a Ford Thunderbird. Do you guys agree with my choice? I don't care if you do, but let me know down below. For more car buying advice, check out jalopnik.com.